Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. So today is May Day. So happy May Day, guys. And many non-IT people wanted to come into IT industry. Only problem is that they don't have the proper guidance or the proper gurus. It is not only the course. If you learn it, you can get into IT sector. It is not compulsorily. You need to have proper institution. You need to have a proper mentor. You need to have a proper guru. Clear? If you do a course that may give you some knowledge, or you can just go to YouTube and you can learn some course. And many people think that, I need a job in 1 month, or I need a job in 2 months. That is also useless thinking. You need to give enough time, right? Because you would have studied 25 years of education, you got some 25,000 rupees job or some 30,000 rupees job. But if you wanted to settle your career, entire 20, 30 years of your career into IT industry, but people are not ready to give not even 1 month time, because they say, sir, I need a job within a month, 1 month, or I need a job within 2 months. Can it happen? It cannot happen. So IT industry will give you lot of opportunities only, to the people who have the good knowledge and who have the good patience, and people who have very very basic knowledge to advanced level of knowledge. But the problem in the Indian IT industry is people not ready to give enough time to learn the IT courses. They need a job within 1 month, even though that guy wasted 30 40 years of his time without having any job or without having anything. But as soon as he joins the IT course, he needs a job. So that is how the people are completely, going into the bad track. You understand. So 25 years of education, you have done it. You don't have a proper job today. You're able to learn only 20,000 or 30,000 or whatever be the reason. You're a housewife or you're working for some non-IT company where you don't have good money. But IT industry where you will have very, very good knowledge. When you keep minimum 3 years of experience, even though you're 2010 passed out or 2005 passed out, forget about it. You're 40 years age. You're having 45 years, it doesn't matter, because IT industry is a private industry. They need the skills, not your age. They don't need your qualification, right? You could be BA guy, BCom guy, you could be a MTech guy, civil engineering, or B pharmacy, M pharmacy, or you could be anything. So it doesn't matter. BCom, MBA, BBA, any qualification you can have, 2010 passed out, or you never worked for any company. You don't know much of English also. Doesn't matter. But only thing you have to have good knowledge about the course which you are taking or which you know it. You can keep a minimum 3 to 4 years of experience in India. Many housewives got into IT industry with 8 to 12 lakhs of salary packages. One, housewife Lavanya, 2012 passed out. After that, got married and two kids. Now she got three offer letters. Month of Jan, one offer letter. Month of February, one more offer letter. Month of March, one more offer letter she got it. Even though recession is going on, and she got the three offers. How? Because only the knowledge. Because I always say recession is a temporary, skills are permanent. Recession is a temporary, skills are permanent. And always I believe that starting point is also not very important. Modi was selling chai, tea. Abraham Lincoln was making, shoes and everything for the public. But after that, they became a president of, Modi has become president of India. Now Abraham Lincoln became president of America. Now, what is not important? You could be housewife today. You could be, a BA guy, BCom guy, or BSc guy, or B pharmacy guy, or hotel management guy, or BSc civil. But you wanted to come into IT industry. You're, having 35 age, 40 years age, you're having 10 years of sales background, insurance background, you're a housewife, you don't have any knowledge about software industry. Don't worry, we are going to be starting from very 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 basic level to advanced level. So data analytics course anyone can learn. Who can learn data analytics course means, I always say, if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can learn data analytics. Nothing is impossible. It's very, very simple. I'll be starting from very, very basic level to advanced level. But only thing is that, do you have a time? Minimum 3 to 6 months of time? Do you have it? If you have that time, then you can just come and join with me. You will be able to crack not only one offer letter, you should be able to get a minimum 3 to 4 offer letters. You need not have good English speaking, some knowledge about, tell me about your project, tell me about your company, tell me about your existing experience. At least some rough English, if you speak for 2 to 3 minutes for each and every question, you should be able to easily get into IT industry, because after joining the company, you never directly talk to the client. You always talk to your team member or your team lead or your manager. Manager internally will be talking to the your client and everything. So you should not be worried about English. You should not be worried about anything. You should not be worried about, I'm 35 years old, I'm having teach this background, that background, I'm non-IT guy, I don't know anything. Nothing is needed. Okay, nothing is needed. You just give that time, minimum 3 months time you need to give to complete the course, because the data analytics will take minimum 3 months to complete the course. And after that, you need to have the preparation of the CV and everything will be done. Project and everything is going to be covered as part of this, and you should be able to appear for the interviews. So if you fail a minimum 5 to 10 rounds of interview, the next round is yours. So only the failure is a success, and you need to have proper mentor. So it is not that if you learn Power BI course, you get a job. That is 100% useless thinking, right? It is not the Power BI alone. Lot of stories are available. Why Rajmouli stories are getting more popular? So it is not that any story you can take it, you can become a number one guy in this world. Not because of story, because of the who's directing, who's mentoring. So based on that, you will be able to get the success. So many people think that my son is so talented, my daughter is so talented, so intelligent. Then they came from this university, that university, but that guy is not able to get a good job. So what is that you think the guys are lagging? Proper mentor it does not have. If you don't have a mentor, even though you're an intelligent guy, even though you're coming from very good background, nothing is going to be happening. You need to have a proper mentors. Many good dancers are available, but they're still dancing. But one dancer like Chiranjeevi, because of the proper mentor like Raghavendra Rao, people like, good directors, now he became, number one guy in the Telugu industry. So it is not only, the dance, or acting, or something. Only because of that you cannot become a hero, or you cannot become a successful person. Behind your hard work, who's there? Do you have somebody? So if you don't have somebody, only with your intelligence, only with your qualification, you will become nothing in this world. So what is important? Mentoring is important than the Power BI. You can do any course in this world, but only thing is that, do you have the proper guru, proper institution? So if you have, if you believe in that, then definitely you can join with us and you will be able to see the success. Clear? So if I only teach you everything and if you don't practice nothing, then nothing is going to work. So you and me put together, we have to, give you the success, and anybody can join this course. Clear? So everybody has to fill this form, guys. This form I have given in the uh, chart window. So this form is going to be having email address and full name with your surname as per Aadhaar card, PAN card. Course details you need to mention Power BI. Location means the city or the country. Mobile number, click on subscribe. Other country people, foreigners, must include country code as well and click on subscribe. When you give the details, there are two advantages. Discounts are announced, people who are filling the form, and the daily videos are going to be shared to the email address so that you will be able to watch them later. Or you should also give these videos to your friends if they wanted to join this course, right? So remember, course validity is 6 months, and each and every recorded video will be shared and it will be there with you for 6 months. You can watch them, you can just play them whenever you wanted to have. So the validity for the course and videos are 6 months. After that, if you wanted to have, you need to make some nominal fee and you can access for another 6 months as well. There is no problem, very nominal fee. You should be able to pay it later, but 6 months you will be able to get all these videos and all the classes will be available to you. So you should not be worried at all anything. Clear? So you will be able to get the discount fee when you fill the form. If you're not able to fill the form, at least you have to send me your details in this mail ID, bhaskarjogi@gmail.com, or you can also, talk to my people. If anybody wanted to talk to me directly, send me a mail. In that mail, you need to mention your phone number so that after this class, I will call you and I will talk to you guys. If you wanted to talk to me personally, what is it you should do? You have to send me a mail to bhaskarjogi@gmail.com or goonline.bhaskar@gmail.com. Mention your phone number there so that I will be calling you. I can talk to you personally. There is no issue at all. Now, so what is that you wanted to, learn in Power BI? If you learn only Power BI, will you be able to get a job? And what is the duration of the course? And who can learn Power BI course and the data analytics? Is it a very, very hot skill in 2023 also? All these things we're going to be, discussing one by one, one by one. Okay. Now, course offered, Go Online Trainings does not have any classroom classes in Hyderabad. We are operating from Hyderabad, but we don't have any classroom classes. Only online classes are available. And Power BI, MSB, AWS DevOps, Data Factory, Databricks, Python, Data Science, Machine Learning, Data Warehousing, SQL Server, and many more courses we are offering online, right? So who can get into Power BI course? Anyone can learn this course. Hot skill to get into IT industry, high salary paid. If you keep minimum 3 to 4 years of experience, minimum 10 to 12 lakhs or minimum 8 to 12 lakhs of salary package, you can get it. No coding is required. 45 hours to complete the Power BI. Daily 1 hour class will be there. Monday to Friday only we are going to be having classes. Saturday, Sunday, I never take any class, remember. And any public holidays also, I never take any classes. Daily class video will be recorded and that will be shared after 1 hour. So these videos are accessible and available to you, 6 months. And after that, if you wanted to still continue further, you will be able to, pay some nominal fee and you can just continue further. And daily recorded videos are going to be shared and validity is 6 months and from the date of payment. Real-time topics are going to be discussed and sample CVs are provided at the end of the course. CV preparation guidance is included for free. Online lab support will be given. Interview questions are going to be discussed and all the interview questions are going to be, given at the end of the course. Placement assistance and job support across India will be given for free. And one project is also included for free. We don't charge anything extra. So whatever we are stating, everything will be included for free only. Clear? One project is also included. Clear? So what is the duration of the Power BI course? Only 45 days, daily 1 hour. So May month and June month. So this month and next month, you will be able to complete this course. But if you learn only Power BI, is it sufficient or you need to learn anything else also? That is also we'll discuss now. Okay, so who can learn this Power BI course? Any graduate, any IT professional, any non-IT professional, or IT guys also. .NET Java guys wanted to come into Power BI, said no problem. SAP Android guys who wanted to come into Power BI, there is no issue. Any IT guy, non-IT guy, any year passed out. You don't tell me, sir, I'm 2005 passed out, can I come? Sir, I'm 2008 passed out, can I come? You can come, right? Teachers, sales professionals, housewives, healthcare professionals, banking professionals, insurance professionals, B pharmacy, M pharmacy, BA, BSc, Open University, education gaps also if you have, there is no problem at all. MSc, MCom, MCA, BBA, MBA, Diploma, BTech, all branches, BTech, Civil Engineering, Architecture, anything, whatever be the branch, or you have education gaps also, or even though you are from the Open University, one guy, his name is Srinivas, who completed his graduation through BR Open University Ambedkar and he has done his BA. And after his plus two, he has some 3 to 4 years of education gap for the graduation to complete. After that, he has completed his graduation in the a BR Open University guy. That guy got job. Now he's working for almost 8 to 8.5 lakhs of salary package. Now he called me, sir, I failed in 30 interviews. In first interview, I was shivering. I don't know much of English. I am from very, very village background. First, when I got a call of uploading CV, I got a shivering. I used to give it to the phone to my friend, okay, to answer the HR calls and everything. But after 30 interview, 30 calls, now I am perfect. Now I know how to guide the people. Now I know how to crack the interviews. That guy got 3 to 4 offer letters. Clear? So it is only the skill, not the decision, because the decision is temporary. It will be there for 6 months or 1 year. After that, this will disappear. So after the recession, if you have the skills, all the people can get into IT industry. You believe me, IT industry will give you much more salaries. Starting salary could be 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, but down the line, you will be able to reach in Hyderabad itself 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs, or 50 lakhs is not a big amount. One guy in 2016 or 17 came to me, and he was working for a corporation bank and earning only 13,000 rupees, Indian rupees. And he joined online course in 2016-17. And today, I attended his marriage in last December. Now he told me, sir, I got a 25 lakhs of salary package today, and I am working for HCL company. Now 2016, he was earning 13,000 rupees. And after that, he took the course, and in 2012 passed out. 2012 passed out, till 2017, only 13,000 rupees per month, and no job, no guidance. 2016-17, he joined with me. Now, after that, he got a small job with 3.5 lakhs of salary package. Now, the second job in Vachusa with 6.5 lakhs, like that. Within 5 years, now he's working for HCL Technologies, Hyderabad, with a 25 lakhs of salary package. Not only that guy, many people. I have trained thousands of students in India as well as abroad. So I'm there in the IT industry past 22 years. I started my career in year 2000. Now, after that, I worked for many companies like Accenture, Patni Computers, Microsoft, Gachibowli in Hyderabad, and Unilever. So, a lot of companies where I worked, I have completely real-time knowledge. I trained thousands of people in India. Thousands of people I've trained. You go to any company, you ask my name, compulsorily you will be able to find my students. Clear? I'm not a bookish knowledge guy. You never think, never ever think like that. I'm completely coming from the IT industry. You will get a proper guidance till you get the placements. It is very, very important that not only the course, if you join any other institution, you will be, simply paying the, fee. But after that, they don't give you any trainer's number. You cannot talk to the trainer. So end of the day, you complete the course. Then they'll say, you go for the proxy, you go for the backdoor jobs, you pay 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, nothing is going to be happening. I strongly recommend you never ever pay not even single rupee to anybody for the proxies and backdoor jobs. That cannot happen today. Remember me? So simply they wanted to take your money, and after that you lose the money. Without knowledge, no company can take you. You cannot also be there in the company for longer period. You may be there for 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. After that, you will understand you don't have enough knowledge. You cannot, pretend. You cannot act in the company for, on daily basis. One day, your manager can easily tell you that you are not a real-time guy. Please leave the company. So that is what is happening. And many people are coming out. People who paid the proxies amounts in backdoor jobs, they are going to come, and they know they will tell you that no, don't go into that way. Learn the course as per the instructor or the faculty, and get into IT industry in the proper manner only. Without time and energy, you will not get into IT industry. You need to have proper mentors also. Only mentoring will take much more importance in your career, guys. I'm telling you, right? So if you learn only Power BI, will you be able to get a job? Answer is no. If you learn only Power BI, will you be able to get a job? Answer is no. But what all you need to, learn if you wanted to get into IT industry? So IT industry means what? So I means what? I means information technology. I means information. T means a technology. Now tell me, how do you get the information? How do you get the information? To get the information, IT industry has to have the data. Remember, okay? So IT industry is going to be dealing with the data from morning to evening, whether it is a Microsoft or a Google or an Android or Amazon company, any IT company, what is that IT company is going to be doing? IT company is only going to do two things. One is that it is going to be taking the data, converting data into information. Clear? So what is that? You have to know how IT industry is going to be dealing with the data, that you have to know. IT industry is going to be storing the data, dealing with the data. So there is a technology called SQL, or it is also called as a database system, or it is also called as a RDBMS system. Clear? So how IT industry is going to be storing the data means SQL, structured query language, or you can say database management system, or a database, or relational database management system, or some people will say DBMS, database management system. If you wanted to work with the IT industry, compulsorily you should know how to deal with the data. Remember, tomorrow you wanted to learn Java, .NET, Python, SAP, Android, this one, that one, anything you learn in the IT industry, definitely they'll ask you, do you know SQL? Do you know database? Do you know RDBMS? Do you know database management system? All these are synonyms. All these are same. Clear? You have a restaurant, you have a hotel, you have a mess, you have lot of names, right? You have a cafe. So all these are synonyms. If you wanted to work in the IT industry going to be doing two things. It is going to be storing the data. What SQL is going to be doing? SQL is going to be storing the data. Now IT industry is going to be doing one more thing, that is processing the data. Clear? So IT industry is going to be doing one thing, storing the data with the help of this, and the second one IT industry is going to be doing processing the data. Clear? Only these two things IT industry is going to be doing. For the processing purpose, we are going to be learning a language C, C++, okay, or you may have Java or .NET or Python, anything you can use, blah blah blah. Clear? Android, anything you can use. IT industry core functionality, it is going to be taking the data and storing the data with the help of a technology called SQL technology, or you can say database management technology, and it is going to be processing the data. It is going to be doing only two things. IT industry, what are the core functionality? So what is that you should say? So what is that IT industry doing? అంటే ఏం చెప్పాలి మీరు? IT industry is going to be doing only two things. IT is going to be doing two things. One is called storing of the data. The second one is called processing of the data. Nothing. Store the data. The second one, it is going to be processing the data. So processing will be done by the language. Storing will be done by the SQL. Clear? So how do you store the data means you're going to be using SQL, or you can say database management system. Processing means any language. Language means C or C++ or Java or .NET. So learning a language is very, very complex. Clear? So if you wanted to get into IT industry, compulsorily all people who are learning C, C++, Java, .NET, anything they wanted to learn tomorrow, so compulsorily they have to learn SQL. Without this, you cannot come into IT industry. What is the technology I'm talking about? I'm talking about SQL technology. Clear? So if you wanted to learn Power BI, first of all, you have to learn SQL. Clear? SQL also called as a database, or you can say database management system. So this is what you're going to be learning. Unfortunately, we don't have live classes. We don't have any live classes. So how is that you can learn this? You can learn buying our videos. Pre-recorded videos are available. You have to learn SQL. You have to learn SQL, or the database or database management system. and you have to buy videos. How many videos are available? Approximately 45 hours videos are available. 45 hours plus videos are available. These are available in Telugu as well as in English. Clear? Anybody can learn this language in these videos, because many pharma people, many sales people, many housewives told me, sir, these are very very easy. I thought that very very complex. Now I'm able to understand everything, sir. So you have to learn daily. You take one video. How many videos you will get? 45 plus videos you will get it. Daily you take one video, you watch only 15 minutes, then you give a break. Again watch 15 minutes, after some time you take a break. You're a housewife, you don't have the continuous time. Just watch only 10-15 minutes, you take the notes. Like that you need to complete. You don't have the time on the same day, next day remaining 15 minutes of video you watch it, you write the notes, so that daily you will be able to complete one video. 10 minutes, 15 minutes you watch it, concentrate only 20 minutes, you complete the video by video, video by video, without SQL knowledge. I'm telling, this is what is called SQL, will be calling as a SQL. Clear? So what SQL is going to be doing? SQL is going to be storing the data. So how do you say SQL? How do you understand SQL? SQL is nothing but a tank or a godown or a storeroom. In the tank, what will you do? You are going to be putting the water. You are getting the water. So SQL is a, you can say, tank, or a you can say godown. So I have a lot of blood. Where will I keep the blood? Blood bank. I have a lot of gold. Where will I keep the gold? Gold bank. I have a lot of data. Where will I keep the data? Data bank. Data bank is called a database or SQL. Remember. So what is a SQL means? It is a data bank or a database, or you can say it is a godown. It is a tank. Okay, in the tank you put the water, you get the water. In SQL, what you do? You store the data, you retrieve the data. You put the data, you get the data. So SQL is nothing but a tank, or you can say bank, or it is a database, data bank. Clear? So what are the SQL softwares are available in this world? So lot of SQL softwares are available. Popular SQL software is called Oracle. Oracle is a SQL software. It can store the data. Lot of banks are available, right? You have ICICI Bank, you have Axis Bank, you have Deutsche Bank, you have a lot of banks are available. You can go to the bank, deposit the cash, withdraw the cash. So like that, we have Oracle. What you do? Oracle is a software where you can store large amount of data. You can retrieve large amount of data. Oracle. Microsoft SQL Server. It is from the Microsoft. MS. And you have one more company called IBM company. There is a SQL software called DB2 software. It is from IBM company. All these are different companies, SQL softwares. Netiza. Okay, it is also IBM company software only. IBM company's software only. Netiza, or you can say PostgreSQL. Okay, so PostgreSQL. It is also one more, SQL software, or Teradata. This is also one more company's SQL software. Like that, you have Sybase. Okay, you have MySQL, right? So you have a lot of companies where you should be able to install it in your computer. You should be able to store the data. So there is a bank. What bank is going to be doing? You can go to the bank, deposit the cash, withdraw the cash. You go to the blood bank, what you do? You deposit the blood, you get the blood, right? So what is Oracle? Oracle is a data bank or a database. What is SQL Server? It is a Microsoft database or a data bank. It is Oracle company's database or a data bank. DB2, IBM company's database or a data bank. What you do in the DB2? You put the large amount of data, you get the large amount of data. We are going to be storing the large amount of water into the water tanks, right? Why are we storing? Whenever you need the water, you switch on the tap, you will be able to get it. So SQL means tanks or godowns or storerooms, however you understand. But different companies are going to be giving you different water tanks, or different companies are going to be storing your data. One of the number one companies is called Oracle, and number two Microsoft SQL Server. They have taken the same name, but all these are called as SQL softwares only, but Microsoft is giving the same name. So whether it is the same name or a different name doesn't matter. But all these are what softwares? These are the SQL softwares. SQL means which can store large amount of data in the IT industry. So we are Power BI is from the Microsoft. What software we are going to be learning? We are going to be learning SQL, but what software? We are going to be learning SQL software. We are going to be SQL only we are going to be learning, but more clearly SQL server you can learn. But if you know Oracle also fine. If you know DB2, NetEase, anything, if you have the knowledge, that is fine. But if you don't have the knowledge, compulsorily you have to learn one of these SQL softwares. Clear? So how many days you will be able to learn? You will be able to learn within 45 days, and it is very, very important. You cannot say, my friend told me he will teach SQL, I will learn from him. I have Udemy videos, I have YouTube knowledge. All these things are useless. You will not be able to get into IT industry with kind of a knowledge. If you have a cancer, will you be going to the proper doctor, or will you take only the medicine from the neighbor? So it is not going to, reduce your cancer. So if you wanted to get into IT industry, you have to learn everything from the scratch. What is SQL? SQL means which is going to be storing the IT company's data. IT industry's data going to be stored in the SQL. Lot of companies are providing the software to store the data. Popular software is called Oracle Corporation, Oracle software, Microsoft SQL Server software, or SQL software. Clear? All these are called as SQL softwares only. So you have to learn SQL Server and you have to practice. I will give you this software also. You have to install it. Okay? You need to install this software in your laptop. I'll give you the software. I'll show you how to install in your laptop on the fourth day. So today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll be having demos. And after 3 demos, fourth class, I'm going to be showing how to install this software in your laptop. So what is the laptop configuration you need to buy? Everything I'll give you. So don't worry about it. So compulsorily, you have to study SQL Server software, other SQL Server. Otherwise, you will not be able to get into IT industry. So this is what you need to study. So in the month of May and June 2023, you have to learn this because it will be 45 days means approximately 2 months. Along with that, you should also attend daily Power BI with the DAX. What is the DAX and everything I'll discuss later. So these classes also you have to attend. These are live classes we are going to be attending from today. So daily 8 a.m. it is going to be having live classes, and it will be for 45 days, daily 1 hour, 45 hours. So May and June, you have to buy the videos, and in the evening, you have to watch these videos parallelly. Morning, you need to, attend my live classes of Power BI. Whatever be the reason, if you don't have a time, sir, I am a housewife, I'll be busy with this time, I cannot attend the live classes, means you don't worry. Daily recorded videos are going to be posted. Okay. However, you're getting the videos, you will get these classes videos also available. And if you're not able to attend that today's class, no problem. After 1 hour, this video is available to you, and this video will be available till 6 months. Clear? So what you can do in the evening, you can open the video. You should be able to watch the Power BI video, or one day power cut, or there is a heavy rain. You are not able to attend any live class. Daily recorded videos are going to be posted. All the videos are available to you in your portal. Validity is 6 months. Clear? You can complete the course slowly. And even though you don't have time or you miss the class, you should not be worried about it. All the videos are there. Even though, sir, I can only attend for a Q&A session, but after that I don't have time. You can attend 10 minutes of the first 10-minute session. You can ask me the question, or you go. Or if you have any question, you can always write me email, sir. I have a doubt in this session. I'm not able to understand. So this is my phone number. Please call me, sir. I have a question. I will be asking it to you. You can write me email with your phone number. Sir, I'm getting this error while practicing the lab. What should I do? So this is the error message, sir. What should I do? Means you should be able to give me your phone number, attach the error in the email. So I will be able to, contact directly and I can see your screen, and you should be able to, show me your screen and everything. Clear? So you need to install a software in your computer. The software is called as AnyDesk. Okay, so you will be able to have AnyDesk. Have you seen this software? This is a software, you need to install it. So you will be able to get this address. You need to install. You go to Google, and you can say download AnyDesk. Okay, so for Windows, you should be able to remote desktop software AnyDesk you can install, and after installing, you will be able to get this kind of an icon. This address you need to just send me. This address 624.626.253. This is my address, right? So you can see my screen if you installing AnyDesk software. That's it. If you have this software, you should be able to contact me, and anytime you should be able. I should be able to see your screen and everything. So that is what you need to install. Or apart from that, we may have anything else also fine. Not only AnyDesk, any other software also we can install. We can share the screen. That is not an issue. So what all you need to learn. So May and June you need to concentrate on these two things. So morning you need to attend live classes. Evening you need to watch daily one videos. These things have to go parallelly. Sir, so why can I take one by one? You can take one by one, but one by one, if you take it, it will become 6 months course or 9 months course. I don't want to waste my time, your time, because Power BI is a dead easy. Nothing is there in the Power BI. I'm telling you, anybody can learn. To learn Power BI, what is the prerequisite? What you should know? మీ దగ్గర ఏముండాలి టు పవర్ బిఐ నేర్చుకోవడానికనే నథింగ్. If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can learn Power BI. Power BI is a dead easy. I'm telling you, anybody can learn Power BI. If you're a 10th class, 10th standard, a 10 times failure guy also can understand Power BI. Power BI just like one of your Instagram software, one of your WhatsApp software. Anybody can learn WhatsApp. Anybody can learn Instagram, right? Like that, anybody can learn Power BI. So that is very, very easy. That is a software. You should not be worried about it. You need to concentrate more and more this one only. But don't tell me that my friend will teach me. One trainer told me 5 days of SQL is enough. Those guys are completely cheating you. They are not giving you information. When you attend the interview, 60% of the interview questions are going to come from SQL only. Remember, when you go in for the 3 years or 4 years or 5 years experience, you put it and go. 60% of the interview questions are going to come from SQL Server. Remaining 40% are going to come from this. Clear? So you need to attend these classes, and the live classes you need to attend from today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, demos. After that, the fourth day onwards, we're going to be starting the live classes on Power BI. I'll show you how to install and everything on the fourth day. I'll show you how to install Power BI. I'll show you how to install SQL Server. So May and June, we are completely busy to complete this. But is it enough? No, 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 no. So May, June is over. Then July month, you need to learn one more software. The software is called as SSIS. Okay. So this is what is called ETL software. So this compulsory you have to learn. This will be for 30 days or 25 classes will be there. 25 hours. It is 1 month software. That is only 1 month course. It is also no coding. No coding is required. Only 20% of the coding will be there. That also you can learn very, very easily. So remember, so all these are no coding softwares. Clear? So compulsorily 1, 2, 3, you have to learn and you will be completing. After that, I will be able to give you one project for free. Okay. So one project. What are the free? I'm going to be giving free all these items. One project is included for free, and 3 case studies, SQL case studies are included for free. Okay, and assignments are included, projects are included, assignments, and CV preparation is free. Clear? And how to prepare a job assistance and is free completely. Job placement assistance. Okay, job placement assistance will be free. So all of them you will be taking for free. Everything we are going to be giving. CV preparation, I'm going to be giving it to you. I'll give you sample CVs. Based on that, you will be preparing a CV and send it to me for review. Sample CVs are provided by us. Okay. All softwares I'm going to be giving it to you. Clear? All softwares I'm going to be giving it to you. You have to install on your own. Okay, you need to install on your own. I'll show you how to install the softwares. I'll show you how to install the software. What are the softwares we need to install? SQL Server software, Power BI software. July month, not now, July month we have to install SSIS. This is the ETL software. In tomorrow's class, I'll tell you what is Power BI, what is SSIS, what is DAX, everything technical things I'll be discussing tomorrow. So May and June you have to learn these two, and July month you need to join and completely you will be able to get it. And a few more things I'm going to be giving. Data warehouse, this is one more concept that is also you have to learn. Data warehouse is one more concept, and this will be for only 7 classes. These are again free for you. Okay. SSAS tabular model. So this is also one more course. This will be for 5 days only. This will be also free for you. Clear? So all these things you will be learning, but main ingredient for the data analytics means, so you need to know SQL plus Power BI with the DAX, and you need to also learn one ETL software, extracting the data, transforming the data, loading. You don't understand anything today. Tomorrow and after tomorrow, you can understand all these things. What is a data warehouse? What is a tabular model? What is SSAS? What is a DAX? What is everything you will be able to learn in tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So these are the things that you have to learn. So why is that we need to learn? Can't I learn only Power BI and get a job? Let me go to a job portal. Let me go to Naukri.com and show you. So Naukri.com is the #1 job portal in India. Let me show you how many jobs we have in Power BI today. Many people are saying nowadays the recession, no jobs. Now how many jobs are available? Let us understand. Power BI, simply click on search. Okay. So you see how many jobs are available in last month. I could see only 25,000 jobs. Today, 35,502 jobs are available in India. How many jobs are available? 35,502 jobs are available. But how many jobs you need? You need only one job. Tell me, what are the things they're asking? They're asking a lot of things, not only this one. They're asking SQL, Power BI, modeling. Now you see one by one, what are they asking? Microsoft BI, SQL, Power BI, debugging Microsoft BI. They're asking SQL. Have you seen this? Now, 4 to 5 years, they're asking Python, SAP, DAX, and a lot of things. If you're from SAP background, you have to know this. Otherwise, you should not be worried about querying, Power BI, SQL, data like it is Azure. They're asking Azure Data Factory. It's cloud based. Clear? Power BI, SQL, data modeling, development, ETL. Have you seen ETL? ETL means I'm talking about this one, data warehousing. Have you seen data warehousing? So you cannot learn all the skills, but at least a few skills: ETL, Power BI, SQL, data modeling, right? MDX, SSAS, right? Power BI, DAX, development, Power BI. So this is what is called 11 to 15 years. So whatever it is, you could be getting 5 to 10 years or up to 5 years. So Power BI, query development, DAX, SQL, BA, 4 to 7 years, right? 5 to 12 years. So whatever you would like to have it, compulsorily you have to learn a couple of courses. Power BI, data cleansing, this is ETL, SSRS, SQL. SQL is mandatory. Clear? Without SQL, you will not be able to get into any company. So remember, so all these jobs are available in the India itself. So you will be able to get lot of jobs. But only thing is that you have to prepare all these things one by one. Totally 3 months course. It is May, June, July. It will get completed. You will be able to make the payment only for these two courses now. And in the month of July, you can make the payment separately for this course and you can join this course. Now, if you wanted to join the course compulsorily, you have to study these two and you can continue further. And what is the fee details? That will be told in the third day demo, not today and not tomorrow also. Tomorrow we'll have same time, same meeting ID. We're going to be having tomorrow, day after tomorrow, technical questions only, technical things. Just I'm giving a brief introduction about this one. Okay. So tomorrow we'll talk about what is data analytics. Okay. What is data analytics and what is a data science. So I will tell you brief introduction about this for 2 minutes and we'll stop. The data analytics means understanding the past. Okay. So understanding the past is called data analytics. I will give you each and everything. Understanding the past is called data analytics. It is also called as a business intelligence. Clear? So data analytics, business intelligence means understanding the past. Data science means, predicting the future, predict the future. So that is what is called data science. Both of them are not same, remember. So both of them needs data of the company. You are going to be storing the data. Normally, where will you store the data of the company? In IT industry, in SQL, or you can say a database. So this application will take the data. It is going to be giving you understanding the past. For example, Amazon company wanted to know what was my sales last year. What was my sales last year? So this will be understanding the past data, right? Or what was my sales last 5 years in India? Or how Apple iPhone sales is happening in India? Something like that. They wanted to understand the history, historical data they wanted to have, and on that they wanted to analyze the data. That is what is called data analytics or business intelligence means. Clear? So understanding the past is called as a data analytics or business intelligence or business analytics means. But what is a data science? Data science is also called as a machine learning or artificial intelligence, or people will say deep learning, neural networks, or natural language, neural networks, natural language processing, all these things, right? So people wanted to know what would be my sales in India next 5 years. What would be my sales in India next 5 years. So that is what Amazon company wanted to know. So this you will not be able to get it with the help of a data analytics. Both of them needs a data. The raw material is data you need to supply for this application and this application. Clear? So here you will be able to understand what would be my sales in India next 5 years. So that is the question you're going to be asking here. And what was my sales in last year or last 5 years in India? So like that. For example, in India, obesity rate is increasing slowly. So how many people may die next 5 years because of obesity? How many people may get into heart attack next 5 years because of obesity? How many people may get into cardiac arrest next 5 years? How many normal people may become a diabetic patient next 5 years because of obesity? So all these things you have to predict. So the predictions are going to be done with the help of a data science applications. Are you clear? So this is what is called, difference between data analytics. What all you need to learn if you know SQL, Power BI, one ETL, and data warehousing. If you complete within 3 months, you will become a data analyst. But data science guy, you have to learn SQL, you have to learn some kind of a Python, and after that you have to learn machine learning, natural machine learning, artificial intelligence, neural networks, natural language processing, all these things, which is a 18 months course, which is not so easy. Many people think that I will become a data scientist. Data scientist is not a software job. You will become a scientist guy. Scientist means what? R&D guy. Clear? So data science, even though every YouTuber is saying it is a hot skill, sexy skill, this skill, that skill. It's not easy, and you will not be able to learn, data science within 1 or 2 months. Clear? It is not so easy, and companies are take charging 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs to get into data science, and the buzz is more, but number of opportunities are less, and you don't get into data science completely now. Okay, so because you will be definitely wasting your time and money, you cannot get into IT industry very easy, but it is very complex to understand. You need to have good mathematics background. You need to have good R&D skills, research and development skills. You need to understand the company and give a lot of research work when you become a data scientist. But this guy is a software engineering guy, so this guy can learn this course, get into IT industry very easily. So we'll talk about what is SQL, what is Power BI, what is ETL, what is data warehousing, everything in tomorrow and day after tomorrow classes. And if you wanted to buy a laptop, what is the laptop configuration you need to have it? I'll say compulsorily you need to have Windows 10 or later. Okay, Windows 10 or later you can have, and any processor is fine without Celeron. So no Celeron processor. Any other i3, i4, i5 is fine. So minimum 4 GB of RAM is needed, and minimum 256 GB SSD, or you can say hard disk, is needed. So this is the hardware configuration. I will show you in Amazon this kind of a laptops. I'm using Lenovo laptop. I'll show you Lenovo laptop category. Past 10 years I'm using. So what is the configuration you can buy? So below 30 to 35,000, very good laptops you will get it. So this is the one I'm strongly recommending. IdeaPad Lenovo Core i3 11th generation, 15-inch you can buy it, not 14-inch. 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB SSD, Windows 11. So you can buy this, configuration. I will give you in the chart window. If you wanted to buy this, you can buy this and you can have. Okay, na? You can have this. So this is very important. Clear. So Abhinash is telling, sir, if I learn Power BI alone with SQL Server, is it enough for to get into IT industry? If you learn 2 courses, you can get into IT industry fine, but you cannot stay longer in the IT industry, because if the Power BI reporting is over, means they will ask you for the ETL. You cannot say that time I don't know, means you will be on the bench, and you will be relieved from the bench as soon as you complete 1 month on the bench. Clear? You can buy this kind of a softwares. So then you have 44, 47, 33, 32,000 you will be able to get beautiful. And don't buy Celeron. Have you seen? This is a Celeron software. Don't buy this kind of a softwares. I told you Celeron, right? You never buy these softwares, and you cannot install any software in this. Okay, guys. So don't buy costly software, hardwares also. So these are the things that you need to have. So what are the softwares we need to install? So laptop, that is fine. Softwares we need to install. I will give you SQL Server software on the 4th day. What software I'll give you? SQL Server, what version 2019? This I will give you. Power BI software I'll give you. You need to install. So you need to have, what is operating system you should have? Compulsorily Windows 10 or Windows 11. But don't ask me, sir, I don't have, what should I do? I cannot tell you what is that you should do. You need to upgrade to this. If the laptop is not supporting, you can sell the laptop and buy the laptop. Okay, or a laptop, you can also have the desktop. SQL Server I'll give you, Power BI I'll give you. I'll show you how to install the software. Compulsorily you need to have MS Office also, 2007 or later versions. You can have any version. So zipping software like WinZip, that kind of a software you can install, and PDF software. So these are common softwares you can install it. Right. So these are the software. I'll show you how to install it on the 4th day. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll be talking about what is ETL, what is data analytics, what is the data science, everything I'll be talking about later. So definitely all these things you need to have in your computer. If you don't have any laptop, at least organize the software in next 10 days. So not immediately. You can buy this, this laptop within 10 to 15 days of time. There is no problem at all. Am I clear? So that is what you got to understand, guys. And tomorrow I'll talk about completely technical things. Okay. Are these softwares are free? Yes, these are free softwares, pirated soft, not the, pirated. These are the evolution softwares. I'll be giving for free. You should not be worried about it. Okay, free softwares only. So anything else? These are free softwares. You should not be worried at all. So this will be installing on the fourth day, and you can buy the laptop or you can get the laptop within 10 to 15 days of time, so that you will be able to watch these videos and practice them. Without a laptop, you cannot get into this course. Okay, so even though the laptop is not ready today, but in next 15 days of time, you should be able to organize this, and I'll give you all the software. You have to just install it. Okay, guys. So hope everybody fill this form. This form everybody has to fill this. Okay, so that you will be able to get daily videos, guys. And any questions, if you have it, uh, you can ask me now. Sirius is asking, sir, do we need to have internet while working on the software? No internet is needed. No internet is needed. It will work smoothly without internet. Okay, you need to fill this form, guys. So I have given the form, your email address, full name with surname, course details, mention Power BI only, location and mobile number, click on subscribe. Okay, so this form you have to fill this, and today's video and daily videos will be given. So if you have any question, you can call me, you can ask me now. Or if you wanted to have a personal call, means send me your phone number to Bhaskar Jogi at Gmail and mention your phone number there. After this class, I will be calling you. And if at all, if you don't get a call, just remind me once, sir. This is a reminder mail. I did not get a call. Definitely, I will be able to call you and we will be able to, talk to me, guys. Any other questions if you have, you're welcome. And these are the numbers. If you have any other questions, you should be able to ask these numbers also. Or if you have any matter, you can also escalate. But remember, it is not the course. It is not only the course. People, you need to have the proper gurus and mentors you need to have. Then only you can get into any industry. Need not be an IT industry, any industry, movie industry, or tomorrow you wanted to go to political, party. You need to have proper mentors. So then only you will get good success. Even though you're an intelligent guy, even though you have very good 90% of the marks, I had seen many people who are having 90% of the marks in the house and earning only 10-20,000 rupees. People with minimum marks and people with a lot of educational gaps and age gaps, those people are rocking in the IT industry and other industries because they have the proper mentoring. It is not the intelligence alone will give you success. It is always more than the intelligence or education. It is the mentoring, proper gurus you need to have so that you will get very good, success rate. Remember that. Chalo guys, if you have any questions, so you can ask me now. So tomorrow we'll, go meeting with the same meeting ID, same time. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll have two more demos and total three demos are free. You can attend with the same meeting ID. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, purely technical things we're going to discuss. Thank you guys. Any questions if you have, you're welcome now.